I'm going to show you the actual body cam footage from the officer that fired the weapon.
We don't change our plates every morning, just so you know. It'll be the same plate when you come talk to us later. That's fine. U.S. citizen, former fucking sniper. You want to come at us? You want to come at us? I say go get yourself some lunch, big boy. Go ahead.
Out of the car. Get out of the fucking car. Get out of the car.
Whoa!
Fucking bitch.
Before we get into that, I need you to understand there are consequences to actions. Remember when a certain person said, elections have consequences? What happened here, some people will call it delusion disorder. That's not it at all. Under that umbrella lives a term that this falls under called delusional inconsequentiality. This is where someone's fixed false belief includes that their own personal reckless behavior will not result in personal negative outcomes. And this lack of insight lives in the world of what's called disrupted action outcome awareness. And as you just saw, it manifests in an extreme illusion of control. With that being said, here's exactly how it unfolded from the perspective of the body cam.
I'm not mad at the light. Show your face.
You heard her say, it's fine, dude, I'm not mad at the lights. This is a way to disregard that there's any consequence for her actions, and she's actually putting the weight of the encounter on the officer, as though the reason for this encounter is anger over them turning on the lights, which it's not. She's actually putting the weight of the encounter on the officer. Next, I want you to listen to the antagonistic rhetoric that's spewed out by her partner.
Okay, we don't change our plates every morning, just so you know. It'll be the same plate when you come talk to us later.
It's okay, we don't change our plates every morning. This is another way to shift the blame and to shift the absurdity onto the officers, as though they were accusing her of changing the plates to get away with something. That's not what's going on at all. It's a way to record the identification of a vehicle that's been making trouble for them for quite some time.
That's fine. U.S. citizen, former fucking sniper. You want to come at us? You want to come at us? I say go get yourself some lunch, big boy. Go ahead.
And then the antagonizing of, you want to come at us? I say go get yourself some lunch, big boy. This isn't a veiled threat. This is that illusion of control that I just told you about. And unfortunately, this type of behavior has its roots in antisocial personality disorder. I'm not saying that's what she has. What I'm saying is that this type of discussion and these type of actions come from that category. Because one of the core features of ASPD is a blatant disregard for any rules or even other people's rights or any real world repercussions, but they're armed and this is what they do. So it can be very difficult for certain people to get their arms around.
Out of the car. Get out of the fucking car. Get out of the car. Whoa! Fucking bitch.
It's an unfortunate lack of insight. The delusion that's being skirted here about no consequences is really difficult to deal with because neither the driver nor the driver's partner truly believed that there would be any consequences, any suffering, or any real-world repercussions. But they're armed and this is what they do, so it can be very difficult for certain people to get their arms around. Unfortunately, this type of behavior has become part of the social fabric for a specific side of the political aisle. Remember, this type of a self-serving bias creates the illusion of control. They truly believed they were in control of the whole situation. The lady doing the antagonizing believed there was nothing was going to happen and she was in control. The person driving the car, regardless of what her intentions were, didn't think that she was ever out of control. She tried to take control back into her hands and drive away. Unfortunately, this outcome is a failure in the part of the brain that predicts outcomes of actions. And as we just saw, this leads to the whole disconnect between actual intent and results of their actions. I'll ask the same thing I did in the other video I did on the same subject. Where do you think the blame lies? Who do you think was the person that was behind this type of behavior in the first place? Put it in the comment section.